Two persons are now in police custody following the murder of Kieron McPherson, aged 24 years, of Lot 687 D Fields of Fire. That incident occurred on Sunday around 4 hours, according to the police at C Fields of Fire. The police are reporting that investigations revealed that the deceased was in a triangular love affair with a female of C Fields of Fire, who was also intimate with another male of Broad and Lombard Streets. According to the deceased brother Kieron McPherson, at 23 hours 50 on August 14th, he and the deceased were at home when the deceased told him that he was going to see Fields of Fire. Further, the police report added around 4 hours Sunday, an unknown female called the command center and reported that the deceased was seen in a yard at C Fields of Fire, lying motionless with what appeared to be blood on his skin. The police report noted that further investigations revealed what appeared to be a gunshot wound on his left side chest and one on his right hand. The man was rushed to the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The body is presently lying at the Georgetown Hospital mortuary, awaiting a post-mortem examination. A male and female have been arrested and are presently in custody assisting the investigations. Patricia Danraj is out of the lockups, and the Director of Public Prosecutions has ordered an inquest into the death of her reputed husband and father of her 3 children, Anthony Packaram, called Max. That incident occurred on July 25th at Providence on the east bank of the Marara. Bonita Montague of the United Bridge Builders Mission has ensured that the woman gets proper legal representation, counseling, and other services. Welcomes the move.
These are never win situations. While we are pleased to report that Patricia Danraj, who was involved in the incident with her common law partner and endured years of abuse, that succumbed after an incident, that the case has now gone to inquest, which I really think is the right decision made. Too often these women remain in abusive relationship because of fear, and today we are pleased that no charges have been laid thus far, and we hope that no charges comes permanently. This woman was in her bed. She ran to a safe space when she was attacked in her father's home. The partner, the deceased, opened the gate, entered based on investigation and reports, and attacked her while in the bed, grabbing a knife from her father's kitchen. This is something that has been going on for a while. I have been involved in the case for a while. Her deceased mother reached out to us for assistance over the years, and I really tried. I tried working with her, I tried working with him, but he was always hostile, unwilling to cooperate.
She said her NGO will continue to be a voice for vulnerable women and provide them with all the help to get out of their abusive relationships.
And we hope that our cases, most of our cases, if not all of our cases, are dealt in similar vein. So she remains in supportive programs. We have the Buddy Up program, where she has partnered with another female in our program who are in similar circumstances, and that female now is able to provide support for her, moving from pain to power. And that's what I want to do. I want victims to understand it's not where you start, it's not what has happened, it's what can happen in the future, and their lives must progress for betterment. So we're going to be teaching her skills, we're going to be encouraging her and providing the psychosocial support and mental health support so that she can improve. She's still numb. she's still in shock, she's still fearful, she's still having sleepless nights, looking back, thinking the partner is coming.
Pakaram was killed during a misunderstanding with his reputed wife. The police are reporting that he became angry and armed himself with a knife, and despite the woman trying to flee, the victim cornered her and a scuffle ensued. In the melee, the suspect then heard the victim groan and saw him bleeding from the neck. After they parted, the man walked a short distance and collapsed. There are reports that the deceased had a history of violence towards the suspect in their more than 12-year relationship.
The Caribbean community is deeply saddened at reports of loss of life and significant damage in Haiti following a major earthquake on Saturday 14th. The chairman of CARICOM, Gladson Brown, Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, has held discussions with Prime Minister of Haiti, Ariel Henry, and has assured him that CARICOM stands ready to assist. Prime Minister Brown extended his sympathy to Prime Minister Henry and to the people of Haiti on the loss of life, and expressed his wishes for a full and speedy recovery of the injured. Homes and other buildings and infrastructure have been destroyed, particularly in the southwestern cities of Les Cave and Germain. The Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, SEDIMA, is in contact with Haiti's Civil Protection Agency, which is assessing the damage. For these and other stories, do visit us at our website at www.rdproductionsgy.com.